Professor Plum, plumbing heavyweight champion of the world, and let's get straight into the video. Oh, it's a nice sunny day today. It looks like it's going to be. We are doing a first fix today. Well, we're doing that this morning. And then this afternoon we are going to go round and we're going to do any missed calls, missed texts from over the weekend. I didn't actually have that many this weekend. Had one which was a bit silly, which was, was it dishwasher? My washing machine's throwing up a fault code. So, right, what's the fault? You looked it up? Yeah, it says there's a leak internally. Well, it's not a plumber's job. You need someone who does appliances. Speak to bloody Currys. I did terrible at hiding that then, didn't I? Anyway, let's go do this first fix. I know what I need to pick up. I just need to pick up some help. I don't need elbows, I just need a bit of pipe and some service valves. So let's go grab them. For starters, we've got a nice new stop tap. Where is it? There it is. Turn that off. I'm going to bother with the one inside because it's in, apparently it's really stiff and it's in some boxing, so get this one off. There we go. Shut that so no one falls over. I think it's a combi boiler. See if we find out. Either that or it's the smallest, worst tank in history. Move that out of the way. Obviously the kitchen's already out. This is going, this is completely going, that's completely going. So get rid of all that. And then these are our new placements for the hot and cold. Washing machine spaces in between, I don't know, that side. So we're just going to do a washing machine valve in there. And then he wants me to bring these up with a boiler fix. I don't know. We'll just do it anyway. Combi boiler, lovely jubbly. Right, let's start getting it cut out. It's a new type of bracket. Someone will let me know in the comments what sort of bracket that is. Good, isn't it? Oh, get out. Right. Oh, lovely. Look at them babies. Okay, easy peasy. Disconnected. Let's get this out. Oh, God. Right. Come on, get out. I don't want you spilling everywhere in the back of the car. Right. Okay. Right, okay. Let's ping these clips off if we can. Swap hands. There we go, one. We're going to get that one off anyway, are we? Right, get that cut. I have one of these cheap ones for rough cutting on painted pipe. So I can't be asked to clean it all up before I cut it, so it's always good to have a spare cutter. In fact, this is a new cutter, it's just, I don't want to ruin my nice ones, you know what I mean? Right. That's the hot and cold. It's easier for me just to disconnect it there, because we're going to leave that there is the outside tap. So we're just going to leave that in. Come on, get off. Then we'll disconnect this one, pull that out. Come on. Come on, stop. There we go. Right, get this one out. And then we can start cleaning it up and putting in the new, which I don't think will take very long. We've only just got to get it just literally just above. So, on for the satisfying bit. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Right, that's clean. We need a Let's see if we get one in here. Need an olive. Have we got an olive? Don't know if I like these big thick ones. Will it work? Probably would work, wouldn't it? Nick it off of the top of the ball effects. Right, okay, that will go in there, right. You just want some come up there, right, okay. Right, so the hot is on the bottom, cold is on top. That's obviously got to go over to the washing machine space. So we need to jump over this, so I've used elbow 45. And then I need to pull in a sort of a set for that. All right, let's get this soldered up quick. Right, so we've got a T in, we're clipped up. Using a tape measure, just hold that up in place whilst we solder. So let's get that T done. Come on! There we go. Get that on there. Oh yeah.
You alright?
Yes, not too bad.
Sorry, I didn't realise you turned the water off. I just flushed the loo.
That's alright, that's not a problem. Wait, I was taught 50ml, but I know it's a ceramic bowl. That's why it's maybe a bit higher than usual. Is that much higher? When I was younger, we used to always do it for like 520? Well, basically when them clips are, but he wants it a lot higher. I presume that's because of the butler sink, but I want to put the barrels there, facing downwards, and then he can adjust it how he wants to then. Okay, paste, olive paste. Tell me if I'm doing it wrong. I won't care. Oh, I think there's any paste. I like it to squeak. Who cares? Also, do the directional arrows on these mean jack shit? Because I don't think they do. Right. It's not like that on return. There we go.
Right.
Let's get this on fully. There we go. Sweet. The washing machine's all plugged back in.
Right, thank you very much.
There you go, job done.
That's terrific. Great.
Jobbed, all good. I've got to go on to the next job. I keep thinking, I really want to split this video up, sorry, and then do the next thing in a different video. Because I'm now caught up. Because Friday, I did not film. It was a really annoying day. Sort of chopping up. The day was a bit mishmash and I was having to do other things. It was just too much to bloody worry about. So, I'm all caught up. And I don't like being caught up. I like being a day in front. So we're either going to have to skip a day tomorrow and no upload. You know, I'm gonna go and do this job now. I don't like my videos being that short. I'll go and do this job and I'll add it into this video, but either tomorrow we're going to have to and you guys can decide what you honestly think is better for me, is do I upload what I did on the weekend? It's just, I had a fun weekend. every other weekend is a really fun weekend for me because I spend loads of money on doing activities and stuff so that my child has all these wonderful experiences that I probably didn't. I still had a good childhood, but we do loads of experiences and stuff when it's daddy days, rather than just buying him just stuff, just toys and stuff like we do expect. So we had a nice fun little weekend, and I recorded it like, oh, what do I get up to on the weekend? Do I upload that or not? Because I kind of got it all, and I sort of sat there and edited it all, and I thought, oh, this is kind of cool. But then I thought, it's just so devoid of plumbing. It's not. I don't know. Anyway, let's go fix a leaky radiator. Now, it's a radiator that I fit. It's a callback. I don't think we've ever had a callback, have we, so far? Anyway, it's going to be because I tried to use... It's either the one where I tried to use that X Pro stuff, or there's one where I use Rapid Blue, but I just know my heart of hearts, I did not wait long enough for it to cure. I was kind of rushing through that job, so I think it might be that one. But yeah, what we'll just do is take it out, PTF it up and put it back together. So let's go do that. It looks as though it's that nut there, which obviously just got moved when we put this in, obviously just, but I've tightened it up, put some tissue paper around it just to see if we can see anything else, but you can see the paint's come off where it's obviously been running. But yeah, we're just going to leave that down there for a minute. No leaks, all good. Just one little quarter of a turn, job done. Right, there we go, that's the end of this. Shut up, car. That's the end of this video. Peace out, guys. And oh, I'm trying to sort you out. Well, I have sorted you out a discount code for Direct Plumbing Supplies. So that will be ready for tomorrow's video, so I shall tell you then. But there is another discount code for first time users, which is already out there, which is DPS Virgin. So if you've never tried Direct Plumbing Supplies before, I highly suggest that you go on there, you have a little look, you see how, you just fill up your basket, see how much cheaper they are than your plumbing merchants. And you get your nice little discount as well with DPS Virgin. So there we go, that's sponsored video of the day. And then tomorrow I'll get you like another discount code that you can use whenever you want, all the time. I don't know what it is yet. If I know by the time I'm editing it, I'll put it in the video. So there we go, jobbed. Hasta la vista, baby. Code word for today is tight nuts. Tight nuts. Anyway, hit that like button, hit the bell, hit subscribe. Come on, boys. I think we're at 16k. Or if you hit subscribe right now, you might just tip me over the edge. You might just get me 16k by tomorrow. That'd be nice. In fact, we will try, we'll push as much as we can to see if by the end of the year we can get to, I don't want to be, oh, it's close now, isn't it? It's very close. If we could get to 18k, 18 through long form videos by the end of the year, I'd be pretty chuffed with that. I'd be pretty happy. So I don't know what you need to do. You need to subscribe. I don't know, share it to a WhatsApp group of plumbers. Share it to the family WhatsApp group. Share it to your local Facebook page. Just say, oh my God, you should check these videos out. They're so good. Yeah, right. Coffee time for me. I'm not going to fit a coffee review in. I'm just going to have a quick coffee and then I'm going to get off and what do I need to do today? I needed to do something. What did I need to do? plates. That's what I needed, plates. So I dropped a plate in the sink and it fell on top of the other remaining plate. And then I was like, shit, I've only got plastic plates, like, for the kids, right? So I went and picked up some plates. So what did I get? Got a little coffee. For a coffee, fuck it, we're squeezing in a coffee review right at the end, which we never done one at the end. But I went in there and I said to the lady, it was dead quiet, she was just sat on the laptop, I said, what do you recommend? What is your favourite drink? And she said, oh, she got well excited. A toffee nut latte. So this is a toffee nut latte with whipped cream. I literally said, just give me what you have, what you like the best. Okay. Fuck, that hits the back of your throat. I don't know what that taste is. It's like, it's not cinnamon. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Toffee nut. So, nutmeg, maybe? Oh, it's like, I don't know about that. But at the same time, I think it's a bit like root beer, where you're like, oh, that's horrible. Oh, still horrible. Not as bad. I think I like this. It's a bit like root beer, or possibly. Do I like that or not? I've just spent over £5 on it, so it does taste very Christmassy. I'm really not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not saying it's bad, because it ain't bad. It ain't like, ugh, ooh, that's horrible. At the same time, it's not like, oh, that is lush. You know what I mean? Like when you get like an inoffensive flavour, like just toffee or vanilla, right? Toffee nut. So it's like, it's unusual. I don't know, maybe like a 7. That's high. It is very nice. 7, we're sticking with 7. Straight 7, not point anything, just 7. Or just under, 6.9. 6.9 out of 10. See, I'll squeeze the coffee review in, just so that you could, oh, this is a nut, which goes with the code word, which I think was something like tight nuts. So, that's a tight little nut right there. Right. Geezers, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.